Hi, this is Anora, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to one of the beautiful launches by Beyond, which is by Omnia, called Sensia. Now, this is located in Dubai Maritime City. They had previously launched in 2 buildings. Now, this is their 3rd building. What makes Sensia so special from the other 2 buildings? So, let me tell you a little bit more about this project, the payment plan, the floor plans, and everything. Firstly, it's right in front of Marina. That means you've gotten the stunning views and all the luxurious vibes that you can expect from a very prime location. Okay, so let's talk about the building itself. Now, this building is a 35-story building. So basically, this building is like an architectural masterpiece. I mean, you have gotten the beautiful architecture, you have wave-like balconies, glasses everywhere, and it's like an easy flow, like a water wave kind of feeling is given to this building. It's like a design that just gets you. And for the views, oh man, it is amazing. I mean, the building is placed at the 45-degree angle. That means you're getting all the views and you're getting the marina view on all the corners of the building. And inside, it's just stunning. I mean, you have gotten the big windows, which is floor to ceiling windows. Then you have the elongated balconies, and you're always connected to the outside. The spaces are super open, it's airy, and the finishes, well, they're top notch. You've gotten these terraces that feel like extension of your living room. It's like you're living the perfect blend of indoors and outdoors. Plus the finishes, well, it's premium. Everything feels so luxurious, you know. Now let's talk about the lifestyle. Imagine this. You've gotten the infinity pool that looks just like it's melting into the horizon. Private beaches, promenades in the water, and there is so many more facilities that you can find in this building. You can even walk out and feel the open breeze. And for the amenities, oh well, they have thought about everything. So there's a gym with all the latest equipment, so you can stay fit while you're looking out at the water. Barbecue spots, perfect for hanging out with friends or family. And even there is a play area for kids, so like everyone is covered. It's just all there, you know. Now you must be thinking, why is Sensia so different? There are different other places in Dubai Maritime City. But here's the thing, Sensia takes it to another level. It's not just being close to the city, it's about bringing the nature into your everyday life. The design, the views, the vibe, it's just next level, you know. I mean, even the views that you're getting is directly the water view. It's just beautiful, and at night it's even more beautiful. And for the prices, honestly, for what you're getting, it's a steal deal. Like compared to other projects in this area, Sensia offers you much more. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle, it's everything. I mean, see, Dubai's market keeps going up and up. Now, if I compare Sensia to the previous launch, which is Orise, with the starting price of 1.9 million, and here in Sensia, they have increased the prices to 2.1 million dirhams. That's the starting price. I mean, they have increased it by 200,000 dirhams. Even if you're an investor or an end user, it's a great deal at the moment. And this is just the 3rd building that they launched. And in the future, we can really see how they will be increasing the prices. And the quality, well, I cannot speak less about it. It is amazing. Now let's get into the floor plans. Let's dig in a little deeper. For the floor plan, it typically has 2 layouts. One with the elongated balcony and one with a normal balcony. Now for the 1 bedroom, you have a master bedroom, a walk-in closet, then you have the ensuite washrooms, a powder room, then you have a living area and the kitchen. Similarly for the other layout, if I were to talk about the sizes for 1 bed ranges from 756 to 835 square feet. Now talking about the 2 bedroom, again you have both the bedrooms with ensuite washrooms, and 1 bedroom, which is your master bedroom, comes with a balcony, and your living area comes with a balcony. Now if I talk about the floor plan of 2 bedroom, it's similar to the 1 bedroom. The only difference is that the master bedroom comes with a balcony and your living area comes with a balcony. And for the other layout of 2 bedroom, it comes with the elongated balcony which connects all your 2 bedrooms and your living area. If I have to talk about the sizes for 2 bedroom, it starts from 1,142 square feet, and for the second layout, it starts from 1,200 square feet, goes all the way up to 1,400 square feet. For the 3 bedroom, it's again similar. You're getting in 3 bedrooms, ensuite washrooms, a powder room, kitchen, living area. And if I were to talk about the balcony for the first layout, well, you're getting your 2 bedrooms come with a balcony and 1 bedroom doesn't, and then your living area has a balcony. Then if I look at the other layout, you're getting the elongated balcony again, which connects all the 3 bedrooms and your living area. Now for the sizes, for the first layout, it starts with 2,200 square feet, and for the second layout, about 2,500 square feet, going all the way up to 2,600 square feet. Now for the 3 bedroom signature, it's bigger in sizes. You have an elongated balcony that goes all the way up to your living area, your bedrooms and everything. And here there's an upper layer where you have a swimming pool, a private terrace, and you have a lounge there where you can sit and relax. So this is a little more bigger in sizes compared to your other 2 layouts. Now if I talk about the sizes start from 3,700 square feet going all the way up 4,000 square feet. Now lastly, for the penthouse, these are massive. I mean, it's about 9,100 square feet. It's a beautiful layout. Now, as you enter in, you have the green belts, you have a massive swimming pool. Let me just tell you about the exterior. After the swimming pool, on the other hand side, you have the outdoor dining area, you have an outdoor terrace area, you have ample amount of space outside. Then coming in, you have 2 maids room, which you can make 1 driver's room and a maid's room. Then you have a maid's toilet, and then you have a storage room, then a laundry room. Inside you have a dirty kitchen and the outside kitchen. So this is a basic layout on the ground floor. Now, as you walk in upstairs, you have a family lounge room. You have 4 bedrooms with ensuite washrooms. So you also have the terrace spaces. So all in all, this layout, as you can see, is a beautiful layout. It's well placed, and you can see in between also you have a lot of space there. It's not congested to each other, and the sizes are not small, they're quite massive. So this is the entire layout. Now if I talk about the views, on this side you're getting a fully marina view, and over here you have the sea view, and also you can see the sunset in this structure. And for the last one here, you're getting the downtown and again the sea view. Basically all the 3, which is the L shape of your building, gets the marina view. Fairly you can say that no matter where your unit is, you're getting beautiful views and you're getting the ultimate luxury experience. So yeah, that's Sensia, a best place to live in with the beautiful views, beautiful structure, beautiful architecture, great quality. I mean, every detail makes you feel like a home, and it is amazing. The way it is placed, the way it is shown, the layouts are amazing. Now, personally, if I were to choose, I would choose the one which has a sunset view and the sea view, which gives me best of both the worlds. Now, this is something that you have been waiting for or looking in. It is your right time to hop in. Like I said, the prices by the next launch will be increased. I mean, no matter if you're an investor or an end user, it's a great chance to hop in. If you're interested, want to know more, or just want to tell me your preference, which unit you prefer, then contact me on the number given below, and I will catch you back in the next video.